Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jajangmyeon sauce at home. Heat 2 tablespoon oil, fry 1/2 cup chunjang until fragrant, then add 1/4 cup sugar to caramelize. Add meat or tofu, cook until browned, then stir in chopped onion and potato. Pour 1 cup broth, simmer until vegetables soften. Thicken with a slurry of 1 tablespoon starch and 3 tablespoon water. Start by preparing ingredients and measuring the chunjang and starch slurry. Salt and cube pork or tofu, then preheat the pan with oil. Fry the paste until it darkens slightly, then add protein and brown. Toss in vegetables and stir to combine. Add broth and simmer to blend flavors. Finish by whisking in the starch slurry to reach a glossy, clingy sauce that coats noodles beautifully. Taste as you cook and tweak the balance with small amounts of sugar or salt. Swap pork for mushrooms or tofu to suit dietary needs without losing umami. Add a splash of sesame oil and toss in chopped scallions at the end for brightness. Let the sauce rest briefly so flavors meld before serving over noodles. Pair with pickled radish or cucumber to cut richness and add crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.